Dreambaby's Paris bed rail is a great way to help keep your children safer at night. The sturdy bed rail with breathable mesh is built for recessed, flat, and slat bed bases. The padded cover adds extra comfort for your child. It's so easy to install and no tools are required. Simply follow the included instructions. To open, simultaneously press in both release buttons on the brackets and swing the bed rail down. To close, just swing the bed rail up against the mattress until the release buttons click to lock into position. The padded cover is machine washable, which is a really great feature. For overnight trips, it's easily portable and comes with a really handy storage bag. Put your mind at ease with Dreambaby's Paris bed rail so both you and your child can get a good night's sleep.